We have actually 5 myths that we want to go through and help you understand that maybe these are just myths. Doctor, I'm going to do the first one. I have the cancer gene.
Yeah, I have the cancer gene. Well, you're lucky, like the majority of us, because everybody should have the cancer.
Right.
The genes associated, the cancer genes is not cancer genes. If somebody has a defect, I have a mutation, I have a defect, I have a faulty gene.
The second one, I thought that only my mother's side of the family was important.
No,
Nope.
Each parent send one gene, so both sides, even if we're talking about ovarian cancer, it can come from father's side, the defect.
Exactly. Myth number 3, insurance doesn't cover genetic testing.
No, the majority, if you meet criteria, that's false. If you meet criteria, the majority of insurance will pay for the test.
Number 4, genes can skip generations.
So genes do not skip generations. In some cases, whether or not they're expressed might not be seen in every generation, but we know particularly that these genes are passed on from generation after generation.
And this one I hear a lot. If I want to find out my risk for breast cancer, I can just do 23andMe.
No.
Wrong.
That I know is not true. I've heard that from people, and I'm like, no, you can't.
So they were recently approved to test for 3 specific changes in BRCA1 and BRCA2. Those changes are founder mutations. What that means is that they're very, very ancient mutations in a particular population. That population is the Ashkenazi Jewish population. So they only test for those 3 changes. You can be Jewish and have a mutation in BRCA that is not an Ashkenazi founder mutation, so that's important.
That's important to know.
You can also have any mutation or any pathogenic change in BRCA that is not these 3 commonly seen changes. So there's a lot of people who might be tested through 23andMe that might say, oh, you know, I didn't inherit a mutation. Well, that's not true. It might mean that you don't have those 3 Jewish changes, but if you're not Jewish, then that's not a very good test for you.
There are other genes associated with breast
Exactly.
cancer too.